wheels swapped on. Let's go ahead, get this ride going. Alright guys, let's go have some fun. Haha. Seems a bit easier to get some air with the Supermoto wheels. Let's go to my other spot here. Hopefully we can get in. I want to test out these Supermotos some more on some gravel here, because they're kind of sketchy. Alright, perfect. Just like that, they're gone. Let's try this thing out. I know it's going to be pretty sketchy trying to stop. Oh yeah, listen to that. No front traction. Just some fun in the straights. Rear wheel spinning. Oh, no front traction, that's not fun. Guess that means we gotta steer with the rear more. Yeah, this is a place I definitely like, the knobbies. Definitely see how they help, for sure. Alright, let's go ahead and get down to the mall. And we'll go ahead and see if we can't make some noise there. Alright, back to the mall again. Alright guys, getting dark here. Gonna go ahead, get home, and we'll go ahead and finish off this video tomorrow with some twisties. And we are out on the KLX the day after Christmas. Hope all you guys had a great Christmas, spent time with some family, close ones, or just had a good time. At the beginning of this video, I didn't have a chance to hit the twisty, so we're going to do that today. But first, I'm going to go over to this parking lot because they have some pretty big speed humps, and I think you know where I'm going with that. Also, when we got there, I'll show you my new gear, because I got some new gear, and it looks pretty cool, I think. I'm pretty much fully protected now on the streets. Hopefully I got a good shot there. I want to go to the other side of the lot there when there's less people. But we're going to go ahead and check out this side real quick, because I guess there's some fun stuff here. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and hit the twisties. Another housing division. Might have to check that out on the way back. Oh man, so nice and warm with this new gear. If you guys are wondering the specifics, obviously I went with the high-vis type pattern. I had the HJC CSMX2, obviously in the high-vis. I think it might have been the Illusion colorway or design. And then I have a Curry 2 OTG goggles and the Icon Merc CE high-vis as well. And a lot of people said that it was kind of a heavier jacket, and it is compared to, I guess, a sweatshirt. So now, all I have to do is put a little windbreaker under this thing, and I'll probably be good all the way down to about 40 degrees. Alright, here we go. Second ride on the twisties, getting a little bit more comfortable here. Well, second ride with the Supermotos. I still need to take this dang cage off. Kind of worries me on the street a little bit when I'm leaning over in the twisties, because I really don't want that to scrape. And off-road, I've seen that it kind of gets in the way sometimes. But I also want to shed some weight off the KLX. Wow, look over there, just like that, some fog on the road. out of the Twisties. Fun little run there. Pretty nice to have some good roads. Only about 10 minutes away. One thing's nice though. This new gear jacket sure is keeping me warm. Ooh, that's muddy. Not today. Oh. Supermotos are not fun off-road. Oh. That was dumb. And this is one of the reasons why I like to have my dirt set up on the street. We got that dirt set up on with them fat knobbies. We would rip right through them fields. Alright guys, well I think that is going to do it for today's video. I'd say much better ride than last year, if you recognize that hill. Oh, jeez. Nope. We came out of Christmas with not broken bars. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action. But, with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.